everybody, my name is Brooke Beardbum.
And I'm Joanna Montgomery.
And today we are making authentic tacos.
Hoy vamos a hacer tacos auténticas.
First, we're going to go over all of the ingredients, and then we're going to start making them.
Primero vamos a hablar de todos los ingredientes y luego vamos a empezar a hacer los tacos.
The nice thing about tacos is you can personalize them and make them really however you want to. Mm-hmm. And so we're going to go over all of the potential ingredients that authentic tacos contain, and then you decide what you want.
Mm-hmm. La buena cosa es que tu taco puede ser tu taco personal, lo que tú quieras. Entonces tenemos todos los ingredientes que puedes usar, pero si no quieres usarlos, no tienes que usarlos.
One of the most important parts is your tortilla. And so you can use corn or flour.
La importante parte de tus tacos es la tortilla. Entonces vas a usar tortilla de maíz o tortilla de arena.
Next, you decide what type of meat you want. So we have beef and chicken.
Después vas a decidir a escoger tu tipo de carne o pollo.
It is important to make sure that it is pre-cooked. So the meat we have here, we cooked earlier.
Es muy importante que la carne y el pollo están cocinados antes de empezar tu taco. Nosotros ya cocinamos nuestra carne.
Then you're going to add fresh cheese.
Entonces vas a poner queso fresco. Queso fresco is kind of similar to mozzarella cheese. Usually you find it in either an authentic store or at Walmart, and it comes in like a circular
package.
Yeah, and it's like a circular form, and when you break it off, it crumbles. So that's when you know it's queso fresco. It's really good and authentic.
So it comes in it's like not just the packaging, mm-hmm. but the cheese is actually
Correct.
in a clump.
Correct.
And then when you pull it off, it'll
Correct.
crumble.
Yes.
Then you have the option of lettuce.
Y luego tienes la opción de lechuga.
And diced tomatoes, or cut tomatoes however you want them cut.
Mm-hmm. Y también tienes tomates, los puedes cortar como tú quieras.
Cucumber is another authentic ingredient that you can use. Again, cut up however you would like.
Mm-hmm. Otro ingrediente es el pepino. Y muchas personas usan el pepino en el taco. Y lo puedes cortar como tú quieras.
Also, you can use sour cream. I purchased the light kind because
we're healthy.
Because we're healthy. We try to be healthy at least.
Y luego tenemos crema. Tenemos crema Levi.
Porque es muy bueno para ti.
Sí, es muy bueno para tu salud. Mm-hmm.
If you watched one of our other videos, we made homemade guacamole. Mm-hmm. And ideally, that's what we would add to this. Mm-hmm. But for time's sake, we didn't really have time to make it today. Right. And so we just purchased guacamole. Mm-hmm. However, I would highly suggest you go watch our video and add homemade guacamole to it. Mm-hmm. But guacamole is another ingredient that's commonly found in tacos.
Sí, tenemos el guacamole. Tenemos otro video que hacemos guacamole, pero para guardar tiempo, vamos a usar este guacamole que compramos.
You can also add salsa.
También puedes agregar salsa. Nosotros no nos gusta muy picante, entonces es un poquito picante, es mild.
Another thing you can choose to use is queso. We have white queso here.
Mm-hmm. Podemos usar queso. Tenemos queso blanco.
You can also choose to use pico de gallo.
Sí, pico de gallo es mi favorito. ¿Te gusta pico de gallo?
It's okay.
Más o menos.
I don't love it. I used to hate it. Now I'm okay with it, so I think I'm getting there.
Okay. Es un poco picante. Entonces, it's not for everyone.
You might also choose to add an onion. White onion is the traditionally used onion in a taco. However, we don't have a white onion here, so we're just holding a yellow onion. Honestly, neither one of us are adding onion to this, so it doesn't really matter for this video, but just know it really should be a white onion.
Mm-hmm. También le puedes agregar cebolla. Y los tacos auténticos usamos la cebolla blanca, pero no vamos a usar cebolla hoy, entonces nomás tenemos una cebolla amarillo para enseñarlos.
If you've chosen to watch any of our previous videos, you might know one of the things we're borderline obsessed with is cilantro. And cilantro is something else that is commonly used in tacos, and we will definitely be using it today.
Nuestro favorito ingrediente es el cilantro. Entonces, hoy lo vamos a usar en nuestro taco.
And the last ingredient we're going to go over is generally the last ingredient that's used when making authentic tacos, and that is lime.
Ahora, el último ingrediente que ponemos al último de cuando terminamos el taco es el limón.
It's better to use authentic lime or to use an actual lime than it is to use lime juice.
Es mejor usar un limón en vez de jugo de limón en una botella.
Those are the traditionally included ingredients in a taco. Obviously, you could add whatever you wanted to it, but if you want a real authentic taco, this is what you're looking at adding.
Si quieres un taco auténtico, todos estos son los ingredientes que vamos a usar. Pero si quieres agregarles otras cosas que tú quieras, todo está bien.
Now, we're gonna make it.
Ahora vamos a hacerlo.
I'm excited.
Me too.
The first thing you need to decide when making your taco is what kind of tortilla you're gonna use. Are you gonna use the corn? Are you gonna use the flour? Or are you gonna be like me and use both?
Ahora vas a decidir qué tortilla quieres. ¿Quieres usar harina? ¿Quieres usar maíz? ¿O quieres usar los dos como señorita Birnbaum? Now, when you're warming up your tortillas, it is crucial that you stick to this time. When you warm up the flour tortillas, they are thicker and bigger, so they take a little bit longer to warm up. I would start with 10 seconds. Open the microwave, check it if you want it a little bit warmer. Warm it up for 10 more seconds. And if it's still not warm, you can gradually go up. Okay, these ones will not break if you warm it up too hot. Okay, now moving on to the corn tortillas. Those ones are thinner and they break easily if you warm it up too hot. Okay, so since we're doing it in the microwave, so I would start with 10 seconds for the corn tortilla. Take it out, check it, and if it's not to what you want, I would go with increments of 5 seconds. And that's how you would do it. Now, if you just want to warm up a big stack of tortillas, what I would do is I would wrap it in like a tortilla towel or just kind of like a clean hand towel, and I would slide them in and I would gradually make my way up the ladder of the minutes. So I would start with maybe 15 seconds, and then if they're not warm enough, then I would go with another 20 seconds, but I would gradually check it, because you don't want to burn them because they will get hard and turn into a chip.
So we already warmed ours, so they're already on the plate. We already took care of warming them. Now we're just gonna kind of combine all of the stuff we went in them.
Yes. Ya calentamos nuestras tortillas, entonces vamos a empezar a agregar los ingredientes.
So we're gonna start with the beef or chicken. Would you like beef or would you like chicken?
Carne, por favor. Gracias.
I'm gonna do one chicken and one beef since I'm making both.
Muy bien.
I'm getting hungry just looking at them.
Me too.
Now we're gonna add cheese and lettuce. Do you want lettuce?
Not this time, no gracias.
I feel like it would be better to have torn up lettuce into smaller pieces.
I could see that.
Oh well. Do you want tomatoes?
Sí. ¿Tú?
No.
¿No te gusta? Oh, no, sí.
But I am gonna use cucumber. I love cucumber.
I love cucumber con sal y limón.
I'm not sure my tacos will cook. Wait, ¿tú quieres cucumber?
No, está bien. Gracias.
Guacamole? Do you like guacamole?
Siempre.
Yo también.
¿Sí?
Sí. ¿Y salsa?
Sí. ¿Tú?
No.
Oh. Un poquito. Huele rico.
I hope this is good guacamole because I just put a lot on. So. ¿Y queso?
No gracias.
Okay. Yo. I might not be able to fold my tacos.
You can eat it like a tostada.
I'm not sure how it's gonna be eaten. I might wear it. You never know. Pico de gallo?
Oh, sí.
Oh.
Lo siento. Pico de gallo. ¿Tú quieres? Un
Un
poco picante.
Un poco. No quiero.
Un poco. Okay.
I'll try dipping it at the end.
Okay.
I know we want cilantro.
Sí, por favor.
I'm just gonna. Oops. Oh, I'm not even tearing it. Am I failing?
No.
Now I feel like I have to tear it.
It's your preference.
Well, I feel like since your preference is to tear it, I should have that same preference.
You do
Fine.
you.
I know. I have more cilantro than anything else on here, I think.
It's okay.
We decided we didn't want onion. Sour cream.
Sí, tú.
Sí.
Tú primero.
Gracias. The spreading isn't really like yours looks a lot nicer than mine.
No.
Yeah, everybody else agrees. Like I hope you know they're going, wow, that looks good. Hers looks not good. Why do you have cilantro sitting here?
Because when it's my tacos, I don't eat the stems. But I'll eat it.
I put them on mine. Oh well.
I'll eat it later.
All the things you learn after the video. And last but not least, lime. I'm really tempted to just eat the lime. I used to do that as a kid. I used to
do it
with lemons. It's so good.
Have you tried like salt on it?
No. Would that be good?
Some people do that.
Ooh, I really like this though. I can straight up eat this, but I'm not going to because that's not the point of this video. I'm just gonna add it to my water. People do that, don't they?
Innovative.
I do it all the time.
I've heard lemons and cucumber. You girl. You want mine?
Okay. Perfect.
Healthy.
See now, when I drink my water with this, it'll have that lime flavor.
Right.
So it'll be perfect. Lastly, the only thing you have left to do, fold and eat.
Yeah, you fold it in half.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fold and eat.
Ahora lo vas a doblar y comer.
Which I'll try this one first. Oh no. See, I feel like I should have spread stuff around because right now I'm taking a bite of only part of it. That's what lettuce is for. Okay, hindsight, when I make this again, the sauces are going on first so I can spread them around.
That's smart.
I feel like that is like the intelligent way.
That's smart.
It might not be the authentic way, but I don't know. That's what I want to do. You ready?
Salud.
Salud. So good.
I know that was just the ugliest bite ever.
We're both best. Now you drink some lime water.
Or you just take another bite.
Drink lime water and then take another bite. Here, I'll try this one this time because that one had beef and this one has chicken. Maybe tear the stems. I definitely think the cilantro should be torn because taking that bite was really hard because it just kept pulling out. But I would be okay with the stem in it. I would just want it torn.
Which one do you like better, chicken or beef?
Oh, I don't know. It's hard comparison too because this is on a different tortilla. Yeah, they're both really good. If you're trying to impress somebody with how you eat, don't eat tacos.
I just licked my hands on camera. I didn't realize it until I looked up.
Do it. I don't care. Nobody looks cute eating tacos.
Okay, some of you guys are probably wondering, what's the difference between a taco, a quesadilla, and a burrito? It's literally like how the tortilla is used. In a quesadilla, typically, you use 2 tortillas, you stack them, and you put inside either cheese, meat, whatever. So you use 2 of them. Sometimes they use a big one and they fold it in half, and then they cut it into little squares. So that's what a quesadilla is. Then for a burrito, they use 1 tortilla, and it's probably as big as this plate. And they put all the ingredients on top, and then they start kind of just folding it to make it kind of like a little hot pocket. You know how it's all like
yeah.
And that's what a burrito is. As for the taco, as you saw, you usually use one tortilla. But if you go to an authentic Mexican restaurant, they will use 2 small corn tortillas, but they don't like stack them. They use them to kind of make sure the first tortilla doesn't break. So it's like for more.
Like reinforces it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And that's what a taco is. You just fold it in half. Those are the 3 differences between a taco, a burrito, and un quesadilla.
I hope you enjoyed watching our video of how to make an authentic taco. And hopefully you actually follow along and make one of your own because they are fantastic.
Ojalá te gustó el video y ojalá te gustó tu taco, porque nuestro taco estaba maravilloso.
Enjoy! Adios! Why thing?
Oh, same either.
You know what? It's fine. Well,
you just scared the bejeebers out of me.
Oh, you just went.
I know, because I was gonna yell. Like, welcome to Authentic Tacos. Where are you gonna start?
I thought you were gonna start.
Oh,
I thought
Tacos Auténtica.
No.
What?
Today we are making. First, we're gonna go over net. Is that English? I think I skipped words. Ingredients.
Después vas a Okay.
We should talk louder.
I know. I think that's what's messing me up. I think I mumble. Y luego tenemos crema. Tenemos crema Levi.
You can also. I stuck my hand in it.
Lick it off. You were about to.
I really was.
Why not? Probably off the top. This is the first time
I can make choices. Not often, but I can.
While she's doing that, can you guys do the wave? Try it. Try it in your seat. You can also go.
The
Taco.
That was pretty rough.
Como Señora Miss Birnbaum. Wow, that's a mouthful.
Pero es señorita.
Oh, sí. Como Señorita Miss Beer. I said miss with it.
You did. Oh, I gotta chill. That's weird. I'm always cold. That was a weird one though.
That was very a lot. You can start with 10 minutes, and then if it needs it, I scratch my face.
You also said 10 minutes.
Oh, I did. Okay.
Not 10 minutes.
That would burn.
Your microwave.
Right. I hope I was kidding. Disfruta.
Oh. Maybe it should be enjoy, adios.
Okay.
Enjoy and wave seems kind of...
Enjoy!
Enjoy!
Adios!
You do this when you wave?
Yeah.
You do this?
I don't know what I do. What did I do? Okay, redo.
My face.
I was just gonna say. Enjoy! Spear fingers! What? I guess I do that.
You also did this. You started with this, and then you went to this.
Okay. This.
Okay, are we doing it again?
Yes. And see.